So we are here in Nagar, and we, along with our local MLA, our Soil Conservation Minister, we have just inaugurated this beautiful artificial turf. And as you can see, it's a full-size football ground, and I'm sure that with the inauguration of this particular ground, it will be a great blessing for especially the youth of this area. And like this, there are close to about 25 plus artificial turfs which are being constructed as we are speaking, and another 25 is going to be sanctioned. So by the end of all of this, we should be having close to 50 such artificial turfs throughout the state. And as I said, this is going to be a big boost towards our goal to make Meghalaya the football capital and the football center powerhouse for the country as a whole. So with that focus and with the vision here going forward, and I'm very happy that this wonderful football field with artificial turf today is being inaugurated out here in Pynbna.